Hi, welcome back. I hope you're having a great day today and you're ready to continue working on something new. Last time we were working on something new, we started learning about L blends, as in black, black, clip, clip, and flop, flop. Today we are going to work on GL, as in glass, glass, and PL, such as in plan, plan. So we are going to practice reading a few of these today. Plug. Let's sound it out together. Plug. Remember, a blend, we hear both of those sounds, so it counts as two sounds. Plug. Plod. Plod. If you plod along, you're walking with heavy feet, kind of stomping them down. Plop. Plus. If you're adding in math, you might use a plus sign. Glob. Let's sound that out. G-O-B. Glob. Glad. Glad is another word for happy, a synonym, a word that means the same. Glad means the same as happy. I got fish plus plums. Plums. Don't put that as plum. One plum. Add the S. Plums. More than one plum. And I'll put some S blends in here to review as well. Slob. Slop. The flag will flap in the wind. The flag will flap, the flag will flap in the wind. Flap with that A. Ah. It is my plan to not be glum. Glum is upset, sad, glum. So it is my plan to not be glum. It is my plan to not be so sad. Slid. Slam. Okay, let's practice writing some of these words. Remember, we're using PL as in plan, and GL as in glass, So get your pen and paper ready and let's do plot. If you plot something, you plan it, or if you're talking about the plot in a story, it's the events in the story, including the problem and the solution. So plot. Remember to sound it out and then spell it. How did you spell plot? Plot. P-L-O-T. We hear P-O-A-T. Plot. Number 2, try glob. Glob. You might put a glob of ketchup on your hamburger. Glob. Let's sound it out. G-O-A-B. How did you spell glob? G-L-O-B. Glob. Let's try plod. Plod. We've read that one. Do you remember how we spelled it? Sound it out. How did you spell plod? Plod. P-L-O-D. Plod. Let's try glam. Glam, as in the first part of glamorous. How do you sound out glam? Remember, say the word, sound it out, spell it. Glam. G-O-A-M. How'd you spell glam? Glam. G-L-A-M. Glam. Let's try a sentence. This sentence has 3 words in it. 3 words. This is a short sentence. I am glad. I am glad. Go ahead and write that. Pause it if you need to. And then when you're ready, come back and check it with me. I am glad. Our first word was I, always, always, always capitalized. I am glad. Glad. G-O-A-D. Glad. G-L-A-D. And of course, what do you need at the end? A period. I am glad. Next sentence has 4 words in it. 4 words. The sentence is, what is the plan? What is the plan? What is the plan? Make sure you sound out each of those words. Go back and check your work. And if you need to, pause it. Give yourself enough time to write it as best as you can. And when you're ready, come back and check. Our first word is what? W-H-A-T spells what? W-H-A-T spells what? Uppercase W, because it is the first word of our sentence, and we always begin our sentence with an uppercase letter. What is? How do you spell is? The plan. P-O-A-N. How do you spell plan? Had our PL blend, and what kind of punctuation did you use at the end? What is the plan? I am asking you something, so I am going to use a question mark because I am asking you a question. I am asking you for information. I want to know, what is the plan? So you could respond back and give me that information. Okay. Now, I am trying something a little different today. I am going to share my screen with you so I don't have to hold the paper up in front of me. And now, here is our passage. What is in the bag? So, what is in the bag? Go ahead and try and read that as best as you can. And of course, go ahead and pause the video. And then when you are ready, unpause it and we will try Cliff's Sis. And you can read that. Go ahead and pause it. Can you find, as you're reading, our L blend words in both of those passages? Look for any of the L blend words in there. And then when you're Pause it until you can read it. We've read it twice, maybe 3 times to get better at it. And come back to me. And we are going to end today with a little phonemic awareness. We didn't start with it, so we're going to end with it. We're going to play with the sounds in words. So say the word side. Say side, but don't say s. You get I'd. Say whiz. Say whiz, but don't say w. Is. Say fun. Say fun, but don't say un. Say lamb. Say lamb, but don't say am. Ooh. Say pan. Say pan, but don't say p. An. Say said. Say said, but don't say ed. Say Nile. Say Nile, but don't say aisle. Say mode. Say mode, but don't say ode. Say near. Say near, but don't say ear. Say fizz. Say fizz, but don't say is. Say hit. Say hit, but don't say it. And last one, say neat. Say neat, but don't say eat. So we did a combination there of switching between taking off just the first sound and leaving us with the end of the word, or taking off the end of the word and leaving us with just the first sound. So you have to listen carefully. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.